Ever thought about the current state of your diet? Are you aware of the power of specific fruits and their health benefits? Today, we're unraveling the health-boosting properties of 5 fruits that could be pivotal in maintaining gut health, managing weight, and supporting liver wellness. First on the list is the tropical gem, papaya. Known as the enzymatic elixir for digestive harmony, papaya is loaded with enzymes like papain that aid digestion and support liver function. This fruit helps break down proteins and supports the body's detoxification processes. Adding fresh papaya to your diet is a great way to harness its digestive prowess and contribute to liver wellness. Next up we have berries, the fiber-rich allies in gut wellness and weight management. Berries such as strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries are packed with dietary fiber, essential for gut health. This fiber promotes a thriving gut microbiome, aiding digestion and nutrient absorption. Plus, with their low-calorie nature, berries are an excellent choice for weight management, offering vital nutrients without excess calories. The third fruit on our list is the humble apple, a soluble fiber marvel for the gut microbiome. An apple a day can indeed keep digestive issues at bay. Apples are rich in soluble fiber, a crucial component for a healthy gut microbiome. This fiber acts as a prebiotic, nourishing beneficial gut bacteria and fostering a balanced digestive environment. Including a variety of apples in your diet can maximize their gut health benefits. For those grappling with underweight issues, bananas, a nutrient-dense solution, can be a game-changer. With their natural sweetness and easy digestibility, bananas are packed with carbohydrates, vitamins, and minerals. They provide a calorie-dense option, supporting healthy weight gain. Enjoy them as a snack or add them to smoothies for a nutritional boost. Last but not least, we have grapes, the antioxidant armor for liver health. Especially the dark-colored varieties, grapes contain antioxidants like resveratrol, which can contribute to liver health. These antioxidants help neutralize free radicals, supporting the liver's detoxification processes. Incorporating grapes into your diet adds a flavorful and healthful element to your wellness strategy. In conclusion, while these fruits offer numerous health benefits, achieving holistic well-being involves a balanced diet tailored to individual needs. Always remember to consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian for personalized guidance. Embrace the power of nature's bounty, and embark on a journey toward improved gut health, weight management, and liver wellness.